I recently heard a dangerous lie on TikTok. Not so much a lie, but like, when your friend tells you something that you want to hear, but it's not necessarily going to help you, they're not a real friend. That's what I'm talking about. What I heard is that you don't need to look at other people's content, what other people are doing in order to create content. You just need to be yourself. The truth is that when you're first getting started and you're practicing and you need to get used to hitting the record button and putting yourself out there, then sure, yeah, be yourself. But when you start actually optimizing to create videos that are going to transform somebody's life, that are going to encourage somebody to want to take that next step with you, that are going to get somebody just to want to follow you, there are psychological rules of marketing that are going to help you actually get this done. And the best way to learn those without having to read a ton of books is to go look at content in your niche or not in your niche, content that is performing well, and find the patterns and why it's performing well and see how you can apply it to your own content.